My name is Andrew Spredbury. The beautiful flag that you see behind me is a Kurdish flag, and on September the 25th the Kurdish people are planning to hold a referendum to decide about the question of independence from the country of Iraq. There are several things that I want to say to my beloved friends in Kurdistan. First of all, there are people who are telling you today what you should not do. And then there are people who are telling you what you should do. I'm not a politician, and there are a lot of things about politics I do not understand, but I do believe this, that nobody has the right to tell you what you should be doing. That decision is yours. The decision to hold a referendum, the decision on how you vote, the decision on what you do after that referendum, these are your decisions, the decisions of the Kurdish people. But my purpose today is very briefly to say two thank yous. First of all, thank you for all that you have done in the fight against terrorism. Nobody has done more than the Kurds. No one has made a greater sacrifice than Kurdish families. Kurdish men and women who have served bravely with the Peshmerga. Many of those brave men and women have been seriously injured, and many have given their lives in this fight against evil. You have led the way in this war against terrorism. You have exhibited such bravery and courage. The world owes you a great debt of thanks. Thank you.